For the first time in 3 decades, drug overdose deaths are falling. That's the good news out from the Centers for Disease Control after data shows a 5% drop in the number of deaths between 2017 and 2018. News Channel 34's Trevor Shirley sat down for an interview with the nation's drug czar to talk about the success and the challenges that remain.
New data from the CDC shows about 3,500 fewer Americans died from drug overdoses in 2018 than they did in 2017, but the number is still staggering. Last year, about 68,500 people died, down from 72,000 in 2017.
We can't take our foot off the accelerator. We have to go as hard as we can, but we have to at least recognize that we're on the right direction.
Jim Carroll is the director of the Office of National Drug Control Policy, also known as the nation's drug czar. He attributes the drop to education, drug interdiction, and treatment.
And those three efforts are finally showing results in that more Americans are being saved.
He says one strategy that seems to be paying off is letting local relief agencies decide how to spend their federal dollars.
We give them the money, they tell us how they're going to spend it, what tools they're going to use to reach out and reach kids 18 and under, and we let them do it.
And one of the most successful states was Florida, where overdose deaths dropped more than 9%.
That's a positive news, but one is too many.
Senator Rick Scott says efforts continue to keep the trend going.
We've got to take it seriously. We have to understand that all drug abuse is a problem.
It took us years to get here, and it's going to take us, sadly, a few years to get out of it, but we're doing all the right things.
And while the numbers show that opioid deaths and abuse are down, other drugs like meth and cocaine continue to be a problem. Reporting in Washington, I'm Trevor Shirley.